What was that? You want a fill in 7/8 because time signatures is hard? Good, you're in the right place. Here's your first option. This is quite a simple one, just to get the feel of 7 under your fingers, playing some 16th notes. So, it is quite simply. That probably sounds like 8 to you because your brain's still counting in 8. So, I'll play it in context. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pretty solid. Very simple. 16th notes, accent the first right. 1 E and A. Do another one. E and A. 3 E and A. 4 E. I know I've counted in 16th notes, even though we're in 7/8. That is not technically correct. However, for explaining what's going on, it does just make things a bit easier. So same thing again. And A, 2 E and A. First half. 1 E and A, 2 E and 3 E and A. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. Now you want to give this a go, counting to 7. So it's going to be half the speed I was counting those 16th notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that last right left will come down with 7. The syllable 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ready to hit a crash if you've got one over here or wherever you got one. So try that. I recommend playing a really simple groove, also having a metronome if you can, shouting the numbers at you. That'll help too because it's so easy to drop a beat when you're in an odd time signature for the first couple times. In fact, it still is if I'm being real. So if you've got one, use it. All right, fill number 2. Whoa, we're playing a crash before the 1. Who's excited? Probably just me. But this is a useful figure no matter what time signature you're in. Flam, leading with the right. Leading means the highest one. So flam, right stick all the way up, left stick halfway down. Hit them together. Have a little bit of a delay going on. Sounds really good. Right, left, kick. Da 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 da. We do that twice. Right, right, kick. Right, left, right, kick. And then we don't play a flam, and this can trip me up too, even though I wrote the damn thing. Insert blooper here, Sean. Needs to be the right, not a flam. But what happens is, on the S of 7, you're going to hit a right, and then the V, then, of 7, you're going to hit a crash with the left hand with a kick drum. Which will do a really cool thing because you get the 1. Just sounds cool. I was inspired by David Garibaldi on Give Me Your Love, that beginning fill thing. I know it's not in 7, but anyway, singing it together just on the snare drum and that crash at the end. So right, left, kick. Right, left, right, kick. Right, left with a crash. Now, once you get to the end of that, I suggest you also get ready for the next crash too, because you end up going 2 bass drums, 2 crashes. If you can count through it, that's amazing. Give it your best shot. That second flam will come down on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hopefully it'll make sense in a bit more context. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. Now, all we're going to change now is going around the toms. Still flam left, right. Flam left, right. High floor kick. It's so useful. Outside of this time signature, you're going to love it. 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. It's a corker. Get it down. Enjoy. With this last fill, we're going to mix up some subdivisions. Don't look too excited. Very nice. Does somewhat require your 6 strokes to be a little bit more on point, but it's a good excuse to get better at them. So like I said, what's going on is, first of all, a 6-stroke roll. right, left, left, right, right, left. I tend to accent the first right and that last left. Because when you spin it round, ooh, it sounds so good. In this case, we're only doing one, so panic not. We're going to put both of those accents on the high tom, the rest of it on the snare drum. So you get right, left, left, right, right, left. Bring it up for an accent on the right, on the snare drum after that. That accent with the right on the snare drum is actually the beginning of a paradiddle diddle, which we're going to play between the snare and the floor tom. So we get to here. Right, left, right, right, left, left. Accenting just feeling that first right. Left, right, right, left, left. Stick the six stroke and the paradiddle diddle together. 4. Cool. And we finish it off just with a kick, right, left. So if we start from the paradiddle diddle, just to keep things simple. Right, left, right, right, left, left, kick, right, left. Accent that left nice and loud. It can be easier in these cases to practice things in 4/4 and then squeeze them into the right time signature just to get the timing and the feel right, and then just apply it in the correct context. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 6-stroke roll, that accent on the snare drum comes down on 3 if we're counting in 7. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then the rest of it should be a little easier to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kick drum comes down on 6. Accent on the snare drum happens in the first half of 7, or just on 7. And then you're there. So take it real slow. Make sure you get that changeover from subdivisions sounding delicious. And it should be good. Then practice doing a basic 7/8 groove, going into that fill over and over again until you drop your stick and you don't have to think about it anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, now that you've mastered these 7/8 fills, feel free to check out the other video that I've done on 7/8 grooves. Pair them together, make sweet, sweet music. Enjoy.